I just got this box in the mail. I'm not sure what it is, but I think I know what it is. It's almost Christmas time, but it's not quite Christmas time yet. And my birthday's already passed. So what could be in this box? Maybe it's something everybody's been talking about, but yet I've not had a chance to see it yet. I've not had a chance to view the final product. So what's in this box? Lots of paper. More paper. More paper. There it is. Oh my gosh, I finally got it. Wow, it's really cool, very compact. Great look and feel to it. I finally got my own version. So thanks for everybody who supported me in getting this thing done. It was a labor of love like most of these things are, but through the encouragement of everybody who was involved in this process, I greatly thank you. And if you get the book, let me know if you enjoyed it. And if you like the book, maybe, just maybe, post a nice positive review on Amazon for me. Again, thanks everybody. I finally got my own copy of the book. Cheers.